guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today I'm bringing you another delicious holiday cookie recipe. These are just one of my absolute favorite things to eat. Like, I can eat these by the dozens. It's really dangerous for me. They are just little cookies that you can make them like thumbprint cookies too. You don't have to make the design I made, but you know, I wanted to try to be a little bit fancier for the holidays. And inside the little hole that you make with your finger, you just put like candied cherries. We did green and red for the holidays, but if you don't want to use those, feel free to use M&Ms. You can do green and red M&Ms or whatever M&Ms you want, or whatever candy you prefer, and it'll be just as delicious. So without further ado, and I'm sorry if I'm a little long-winded or short-winded, but we're getting over the flu over here. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and happy holidays.
Occasionally I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Cause lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Before I knew it, I was hurt by some stupid thing I overheard. I never built a wall to shut it all out, but now it's even made of concrete. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Cause lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Cause I'm getting stronger. Cause I'm getting stronger. Lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down.